Okay, now news from Maharashtra, where the state government has reacted to a tweet from author Shobha De and passed a breach of privilege motion against her. In fact, remember, yesterday Times Now had told you how the Maharashtra government has enforced a diktat on all multiplexes, saying that they have to screen a Marathi movie in one of their screens between 6 and 9 p.m. Shobha De had tweeted about that, and it is on that tweet that the Maharashtra government has now issued a breach of privilege notice to her. Ashish joins us for more. Ashish, give us the exact details of why this privilege motion has been passed against Shobha De.
Well, it seems a couple of tweets by celebrity author Shobha De has not gone down well with a few leaders here in Maharashtra Assembly, and one of the Shiv Sena leaders from Thane has moved the privilege motion, although it has not been accepted by the speaker as yet. But the main reason given by the Shiv Sena leader Pratap Sarnaik to move this motion is basically they claim that this is derogatory mark by Shobha De in a tweet that if Marathi movies are played in a multiplex in prime time at between 6 to 9, then in intervals instead of popcorns, the vada pav and the pav, that's traditional Maharashtrian food, will be served. So this is something the few leaders, Shiv Sena leaders here in Thane have taken offense of and have moved the privilege motion. But what would be interesting to see is that whether this privilege motion would be posed unanimously, or will the speaker accept it or not, because at this moment there is only one Shiv Sena leader who has proposed this motion and has not been accepted by the speaker as yet.
All right, Ashish, thanks very much for joining us on that story. Very quickly, like to tell our viewers, Shobha De has also reacted on Twitter saying, now a privilege motion demanding an apology from me. Come on, I'm a proud Maharashtrian and I love Marathi films. Always have, always will.